Food fight. Hey, Will.
What?
Food fight.
Nick, stop.
What's up, guys? So, thanks for watching this. Watch something really awesome and saying like shit bad words, but this is the family channel, so that's not gonna happen. Okay, guys, so this is all my guns, and I never use this past year. I know it's not much, but thanks for watching me for like this 2 years, about 2 years, and yeah, I hope you have a great one, and see ya. Peace. Hi, Mama. I want to stay home.
Are you gonna make healthy choices?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave Maui home.
Of course I'm gonna leave Maui home.
Okay. Hi, Maui. Hi, Maui. Oh, look in the camera. Hi.
Pretty.
There's Piggy. See it? Hi, Piggy. Good afternoon, baby. Got some food right there. Little stuff. And for Dad? Yeah. Why you sad, Mama? Do mommy leave? Going to have fun, baby. What do you want to do, baby? Want a treat? Want a treat? Want a treat?